1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tried to amend my carnivorous habits. Made it nearly 70 days. Losing weight without eating sunflower seed. Drinking lots of carrot juice and soaking up rays. But tonight I have these wonderful dreams. Some kind of sensuous treat. Not zucchini, fettuccine, or bulgur wheat, but a big warm bun and a huge chunk of meat. Cheeseburger in paradise. Heaven on earth with an onion slice. Not too particular, not too precise. Cheeseburger in paradise. Heard about the same old tailor men. They eat the same thing again and again. Warm beer and bread, but they could raise the dead. Well, that reminds me of the menu at a Holiday Inn. The times have changed for sailors these days. I'm in port, I get what I need. Not just the bananas or bananas or daiquiris, but that American creation on which I feed. Cheeseburger in paradise. Medium rare with mustard be nice. Heaven on earth with an onion slice. Cheeseburger in paradise. French fried potato, a big kosher pickle and a cold dry beer. Well, good God Almighty.